To create an account in the EPnet system, we first go to Database and down to Accounts. The account will require an account number. This would normally be something like a staff number or a payroll number. It's a number that needs to be constant and will always be with the person, with the user. Just like a bank account number always remains constant, your name is attached to the account number, and then you have a card attached to the account. You may lose your card and be issued with a new card, but your account number always remains the same. So we shall put in the payroll number here of EP25873. We shall insert by clicking on the insert button, and we can now put in a description. The description would usually be the person's name. So in this instance we'll put in Atul Patel, and then we need to enter their card number. So we use the card number from their card, and in this instance we're using card number 1597 to attach to this account. So we've given the person an account number, we've given them a name, and we've given them a card number. There are various other pieces of information we can add to this account and card. For example, the account type here will define whether the person is prepaid or a credit account. A prepaid account would be somebody who pays money in advance, for example at a cash loader, and then their balance deducts from the amount they've put in. A credit account would work just like a credit card, and they'd start the month with a balance of 0, and every transaction adds to their credit account. In this, the hospitality accounts are used for hospitality cards and are a separate entity. So we put we'll put this one in as a prepaid card. We can give the person an overdraft limit if we wish. If the account is called a credit account, then the overdraft limit becomes a credit limit. So in this instance we're prepaid, and we can give them an overdraft limit of £2. So if they go more than, they're allowed to go up to £2 overdrawn, and their card would still be active. Under the options we have allergies, and we can attach allergies to this person. So we'll give this person, we'll attach the nut allergy to them so that it identifies if they buy anything with nuts in it. You can ignore the voice prompt, as this is used in specific circumstances at loaders which are fitted with audio outputs. The idea of the voice prompt is simply to ensure that the only people who need voice prompts get voice prompts, and the loader keeps quiet at all other times. The personal tab isn't used very much in the system, it just provides some personal information, and the schools tab is used very much in school system and only in school systems. We can then click update. If we go back and read this account, we can go to the card number, and there again there are various options we can put in and attach to this account and this card. So again, here's our card number 1597. It's attached to our account EP25873, and you see that the name has already been added to the description. We can set start and end dates if we are using cards that, particularly if someone might be leaving in the future, we can put an end date and attach that to their account. The card type again is used in various options, but when you're creating a card and an account for a person, it's just a standard card. There's no need for the other guest, manager and operator type cards. You can create a daily spend limit for this person if you wish to, and in the options you can add a tariff to their account. Tariffs are an ability to give certain members benefits, and in this instance our friend Atul Patel here is a member of staff, and he will get the staff benefits, so we'll attach that to his card. And the user groups, we have no user groups in this system, so we're not putting a user group in. Finally, we click update, and we've now added all the information we need to that person's account and their card, and we can cancel and cancel. Takes us back to the account. If at any time we want to go back to the card number, you click on go to, otherwise we can cancel and cancel again. If this person was to lose their card and be issued with a new card, I can go to database, I can go to accounts, and I can search for Patel, and there's Atul Patel, and here's his account. If I go to his card number, I can deactivate his card. Now that'll stop the card being used now, We haven't issued a new card yet for this account, but what we have done is we've deactivated the old card to stop it being used. If that card is then found, we click update and it's now a deactivated card, as we can see. If the card is later found, I can just switch off the deactivate card and the card becomes active again. And we come back out again. If for any reason the card is lost and we want to replace it, we simply delete the card number that's in the box and we put in their new card number, so they're now issued with card number 9365, and we can update the system. It'll say that the original card will be removed from the account. Is this okay to continue? So we say yes, and now what we've done is we've deleted the old card from this account and we've added their new card. So in the case of a card being lost and replaced, that's all you have to do. Finally, to finish the job, as always, we click update and cancel back out of the system. Thank you.